Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Markets closed at records yesterday with the Dow reclaiming 50,000, the S&P at 7,500, and Nasdaq at 26,600. But here's what's driving action this morning. President Trump just wrapped his Beijing summit with Xi Jinping, announcing massive deals including China ordering 200 Boeing commercial jets and committing to hundreds of billions in U.S. investment. Xi pledged not to arm Iran and offered help resolving the conflict. Trump also secured commitments for China to purchase American oil from Texas, Louisiana, and Alaska. But don't let the smiles fool you. Xi delivered blunt warnings that Taiwan could trigger clashes between superpowers, calling it the most important issue in bilateral relations. Senate Minority Leader Schumer blasted Trump for being mute in response. Chinese security blocked an armed Secret Service agent for over 30 minutes during the Temple of Heaven visit. On the economic front, housing affordability is becoming a crisis. Foreclosures surged 26% year over year in Q1, with 118,727 properties receiving filings. Indiana leads with nearly double the national average. Rising mortgage rates hitting 6.37% and inflation are squeezing homeowners. Republicans remain deadlocked over Trump's housing bill, with House conservatives rejecting the Senate version. Kevin Warsh officially takes over as Fed chair today after a 54-45 confirmation. But bond vigilantes are already moving, pushing the 30-year yield above 5% and the 10-year near 4.5%. The 2-year touched 4%, above the Fed's 3.75 upper target. CME FedWatch shows 40% odds of a rate hike by December. April inflation jumped closer to 4% with gas exceeding $4.50 nationally, over $6.50 in California, driven by the Iran conflict. Goldman Sachs is flagging a rare signal: heightened risk appetite combined with strong momentum, a combination not seen since the early 2000s. While markets remain green, this technical setup historically warrants caution. Elsewhere, the Justice Department is demanding sanctuary states stop denying undercover plates to DHS agents by May 22nd, citing a 3,200% surge in vehicle attacks on ICE agents. And CIA Director Ratcliffe met Cuban officials in Havana, delivering Trump's message that engagement requires fundamental changes. Bottom line, diplomatic theater in Beijing produced tangible deals but unresolved tensions on Taiwan and Iran. Housing pressures are accelerating into midterms, and bond markets are constraining Fed flexibility before Warsh even chairs his first meeting. With stocks at records but inflation sticky and geopolitical risks elevated, we're seeing classic late-cycle dynamics. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.